While selling on Amazon, you might face many errors in updating the data on your listing. For example, if you have already made the listing and you want to change the title of that listing, bullet point of that listing, or add any value in any field of that listing, or you want to change the image of that listing. But sometime when you try to do that from your seller center, you might not get success in updating the data because Amazon gives you some error like your ASIN is conflicting with the value, your title is conflicting with your ASIN, or some kind of error like this. So the reason behind that is when you update some value or some data while listing your product, so Amazon will save that data against that integer or that value in their system. So when after listing your product, you try to change that data, so Amazon will not allow you because Amazon will think that some other seller are trying to do this with your listing, so it will not allow them to change the data. So if you're also facing this kind of issue, like you're trying to update any information in your listing and Amazon is not letting you to do this, so in this video I'm going to share with you a secondary method of updating a listing from which you can just update any value in your listing easily in 5 minutes. So this method is called flat file method or add product via upload method. So if you want to learn this method, then watch this complete video till the end because in this video I'm going to share with you all the method step by step. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon.com right now and here I have searched a product bamboo tray. Because to use this method of flat file, first of all you need to open the listing of your competitor or your own listing, and then from here you need to find the category in which your product or your competitor product is listed. So once you will find the category, then you will be able to download that file from Seller Center for your category. So after searching that product, go down and open the list of your competitor. Like in that case, this is my competitor, so I'm just opening that listing. Or you can just open your listing as well if you have already created. And if you're creating the listing for your first time, then you need to take the help of your competitor listing in finding out the category. So after opening that listing, you need to go down and you need to navigate to the product information area. Go down and here you can see that this is product information area. And from here, you need to find out the category. So you can see that the main category is kitchen and dining and the subcategory is serving tray. So when I click on serving tray, so it will show me the hierarchy of the category. So you can see that the main category is kitchen and dining, then dining and entertaining, dineware, serveware, and then serving tray. So after finding that category, I need to go on Amazon Seller Center again. And from there on the top left corner, I have to navigate to the catalog section, and from here I need to click on add products via upload. So after that, among all of these 4 blocks, you need to go on 4th one and click on get product template. And from here, you need to click on product template, and then you need to select your market in which you are selling. So in my case, it's Amazon.com, but you can select your marketplace as well. So after selecting the marketplace, you can see that this is the page from where we need to select the category and download that file. And in that file, we need to put the information we need to update. And after putting that information, we need to upload back that file to Amazon so Amazon can update that information in our listing. So from here, we need to find out the category. So the main category was kitchen and dining. So click here, home and kitchen. And from here, kitchen and dining. And again, go there. After that, dining, dineware, serveware. So we need to find out dining and entertaining, dineware, and here serveware. And after that, we need to click on serving dishes, trays, and that's serving trays. Serving dishes, trays, and platters, and then serving trays. So as you can see here, I have navigated exactly on that particular category. So click on select now. So it has selected the serving tray category, and when you scroll down, so you need to uncheck all of the other marketplace because we only want this for Amazon.com. But if you want for other marketplace, you can just check that as well. So after that, go down and click on generate template. So after clicking on generate template, you can see that an Excel file has been downloaded to my PC. So after that, you need to open that file into MS Excel or Google Sheet. So you can see that after opening that file, I can see there are multiple sheets in that file. But the 2 sheets only we need to work on is the template one and the valid values. So first open the template one. So this is basically the sheet in which you need to fill out the product information you want to update on your listing, and after filling that, you can just save that file and upload it back to Amazon. So now it's a tricky part. You need to understand that which value you need to update in that file and which value you need to leave empty. So for example, in your case, you only want to update the title of your listing. So you only need to give the title and you need to give the SKU, the product ASIN and the ASIN type in your listing. But for example, if you want to update title, bullet points, image and all of that, so you can just update all of the field. But in this case, as we only want to update title, so you can see that under product name, you can just type your title, and under the brand name, you can just select the brand name here. And under the seller SKU, you can just see the SKU from your seller central and type that SKU value. And in the product type, you can just click on tray. So it is showing us tray because we have just downloaded that file from the category and the category was tray. So we just need to fill in product type, seller SKU, brand name, product name, which is a title, and here product ID. And from there, we need to select the product ID, which is ASIN in our case. So we need to type ASIN here. So at this stage, you need to pause the video and note down these fields which I just filled. So you only need to fill these fields, and two of the field I'm just going to tell you later. So you need to fill product type, seller SKU, brand name, product ID and product ID type, which is ASIN. And in the product name, you need to fill out the title. And after that, you need to go forward and search for update. So here you can see the update here. So it's a column update and delete. So in that column, you need to type partial update, and you need to type in such a way that there must be no space between partial and update, and P of partial and U of update will be capital. Then click enter. So that's it. You just need to fill out this last field, which is partial update, and after filling that field, you need to save this file, and after saving that file, you need to go again on that page on Amazon, go up, and from this download template page, you need to move forward to upload your inventory file. And from here, you need to click on browse files, and you can just browse that Excel file from your PC and select and open that file and click on upload file. So as soon as you upload the file will be saved on Amazon system, and after 20 to 30 minutes, you can just come back and see the file will be uploaded, and the data which you want to update on the listing will be updated after 30 minutes. So if you have any confusion in this whole process, so you can just go back and watch that video again and again until you clear all of your confusion. So go there, try out that method and update your title or any value you want in your Amazon listing. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you really found my content informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in the future. And if you have any question regarding this video or any other topic regarding e-commerce, then you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.